We already know what Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra look like and what features they would come with. We also know when Samsung is planning to launch its upcoming high-end smartphones. Now, even the pricing of the Galaxy S24 series has leaked, revealing that the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus will be slightly cheaper than their predecessors, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be costlier than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to the report, the Galaxy S24 will have a starting price of €899 for the 128GB version, while the 256GB version will be priced at €959. The Galaxy S24 Plus will be priced at €1,149 and €1,269 for 256GB and 512GB versions, respectively. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to be priced at €1,449 for the 256GB version and €1,569 for the 512GB version. There would also be a 1TB version of the phone, but its pricing has not been revealed yet. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 had a starting price of €949 in Europe, while Galaxy S23 Plus pricing started at €1,199. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was priced at €1,399 for the 256GB version of the phone when it launched earlier this year. Of course, prices would vary slightly due to different taxes in different countries in Europe. However, the gist of this leak is that the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus will be slightly cheaper than their predecessors, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be pricier than its predecessor. Pricing for the US market could be lower, but we will get to know the full picture after the announcement of the phones. With the leaked pricing details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series, it's evident that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are set to be more budget-friendly, while the S24 Ultra is taking a step towards the premium end. As consumers, what factors do you consider the most when deciding to upgrade to a new smartphone? And do you think these price differentials align with the features and improvements offered by the Galaxy S24 lineup? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.